Hello,
Hello.
guys. So you're probably clicking this because you have yucky product buildup, and we are going to show you a quick and easy way to get it out and get it nice and get your kinks as beautiful as ours. Do you see that, Forces?
Amen.
Oh.
That news growth.
Make sure that you guys join the family and click subscribe.
You are invited.
Also check out other videos we do, like our wig video, our Q&As, our topics, our 10 things you shouldn't do to force your hair, and much more. So we're gonna start with some nice filtered water and some apple cider vinegar.
You idiot.
Oh, that we fill halfway in a bottle, and then we're gonna shake it up.
Shake the banana, shake the banana.
And then we need some baking soda. And this is us basically after taking out our braids that we've had in for a couple of weeks. I think like 2.5 months. And it's just like a buildup of gel,
Dirt.
What's the stuff that's on your like head, your scalp? Dandruff?
Dandruff, yes.
Yeah, like dead skin and stuff. So this is our first time trying it. We just thought we'd do a bit of science, because I am a doctor. And just put some baking soda lightly on our scalp. Though it may look like we're being quite rough, I was just lightly shaking it into my hair, because I know baking soda can be quite harsh. So we just put that on our scalp, and then we just start spraying it with the apple cider vinegar water mix. Just a FYI, in case I did not say, we put like 3/4 water and then a 1/4 apple cider vinegar. Or if you need it a bit stronger, do a 1/3 apple cider vinegar, a 1/3 water. And then we just put these caps on. Shut up, will you, jellyfish? Put these plastic caps on, and we are gonna leave it on our heads for about 30 minutes and let it lift.
I rise up, I rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again.
You always do that. Stop it.
Got breakage and product buildup, and it feels like God dang, this vinegar I'll be choked up.
Now we're gonna wait. Come on, fool, and join the party.
No, don't you be touching me.
Oh, so you wanna fight?
You say I can't fight.
Now, guys, it's been a while, and we are just gonna take these caps off and hope our experiment worked. Because again, apple cider vinegar, just with the aid of baking soda, lifts dirt. Just like, back in school when you did those volcano experiments and you put baking soda at the bottom and then you pour vinegar and it just goes. So yeah, that's what basically happens with your hair. As you can see, we started detangling our hair, and
Which was so easy.
I am not kidding you guys. It was so hard to even put my finger through.
No.
And pull it apart. But this was super easy to do.
You cannot do it without this apple cider method. You can't.
Don't tell anyone though. And then we're gonna take our Care shampoo and just start working it into our hair to help lift the rest of the dirt. And we do this after we've got all the big chunks and knots of dirt out. We just take the shampoo to help clean the scalp and the hair. Give me the rest. Are you okay? Get off me, stupid. And now we just continue lathering the shampoo into the hair, and voila.
Victory.
Look at that shrinkage. Healthy, happy, clean,
And stretchy.
You can hear it, see it, smell it,
Taste
eat
it.
it, touch it,
Taste it.
taste it.
Touch it.
Popcorn.
Really?
It's not about popcorn. Just look
Oh.
at the kings.
I love popcorn, cause
Look at how lovely these kinks have come out. Nice and healthy, nice and coily as well. The apple cider vinegar does help
You gotta love for
neutralize your
hair,
pH. So yeah, be proud of your kinks always, and make sure you subscribe to us for more content. Let us know if there's any more hacks you want. And yes, make sure you follow us on Instagram as well.
Lydia and Alma.
Well, just Lydia.
Shut up, Lydia, man. Be professional.
Right, we'll see you guys later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.